Yummy, 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 yummy.
There's some nummy balls.
There are nummy balls on there. You touch it? No.
It's very
Willow, you have this ginormous pink thing in front of
Put her
you.
little hand in it, maybe.
Oh.
She's like,
Taste it, Willow.
Yeah,
Sorry for me to do this in film.
Taste it.
Vera can eat.
Yummy.
She's like, normally I don't like an audience like this.
There's some nummy balls on.
Oh, girls, they're so deep.
Oh, there's some nummy balls, Willow.
That's a candle.
It's a candle.
Susan.
Susan, where's that thing, Mother? You want to lick it? Just don't eat the candle. Just lick the icing, okay?
Is that for the no-no puppies?
Willow.
No.
Did you taste your hand? Taste what's on your hand. She's like, Willow. Willow. Taste what's on your hand. There we go. Yummy.
Henry, you need to come show Willow how to use a smash cake. You were real good at it.
You got a little mustache yourself now.
She's like, what do I do with it? She's like, oh, look at the balloons. What if she just dove her face right? Maybe you should turn her that way so she can see the kitty. I think she's too into the balloons, and that's why she's not eating the cake.
Yeah, it's a lot to throw at her right when she just woke up.
Yeah.
Oh, you licking your lips. Yeah. That's insane. It's like I could show her what to do with that cake. Hey. Oh,
Oh,
yum.
that's good. Yum, yum.
You had blue icing everywhere. Turquoise icing. Look, Willow. What was this here again?
It's a Cookie Monster, I think.
She's a slow eater. It might take her a while.
Yeah.
She's just like, y'all could.
Willow, look at this food. Look at this
Yeah, I
food.
wonder if we all just sort of walked away, what she would do.
Yeah. I've seen people cut a piece and kind of like,
Get a picture of
well,
everybody.
kind of pick up like a chunk.
Uh-huh.
Baby.
Hand that to her.
Going at it.